Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this OnePlus. You need to start by opening an app called Files. Then select Clean at the bottom left corner. Click on Clean under Junk Files. And lastly, confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my OnePlus was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!